Welcome to this introduction to the Long-Term Bridge Performance, LTBP InfoBridge web portal. The InfoBridge web portal is an intuitive and user-friendly online platform to access, visualize, and analyze bridge performance data and information. InfoBridge was developed by the Long-Term Bridge Performance, LTBP, program, which is a long-term research effort by the Federal Highway Administration to help better understand bridge performance. Our goal at FHWA is to make InfoBridge a comprehensive bridge performance portal, enabling bridge owners and operators, such as state and local government departments of transportation, university faculty and students, researchers and consultants to visualize and analyze bridge information. This will lead to improved design, construction, preservation, and management of bridge assets. Starting with the InfoBridge homepage, the user may access the most commonly used features of the InfoBridge web portal. The main page includes tabs of Home, Data Analytics, and Library. InfoBridge provides a variety of bridge data sources for analysis and visualization. The primary data sources include the National Bridge Inventory, NBI, and the National Bridge Element, NBE data, the climatic data from the second version of NASA's Modern Era Retrospective Analysis for Research and Applications, MERA-2 database, the LTBP Non-Destructive Evaluation, and Design Construction data. InfoBridge also contains data collected under FHWA special projects, such as the timber bridges, the ultra-high-performance concrete, and the unpainted weathering steel projects, among others. Users can select bridges through a combination of filtering tools. By default, data filtering is performed using bridge records in the most recent NBI data, unless the user chooses to filter through all NBI and other data records. Find Bridges provides basic data filtering options, such as the state where the bridges are located. Advanced Find includes more in-depth attributes and filter operators to query for bridges based on NBI and NBE data, metropolitan planning organizations, and political district boundaries, and data from special projects. Map Find provides an interactive map interface allowing users to draw various shapes on the map to select bridges that are located within or outside the drawn boundaries. Clicking on the Show Bridges button will apply the selected filter criteria. These filters facilitate the creation of complicated ad hoc queries that may be used at a later date. The user can display the entire query criteria by clicking on the funnel symbol. Once the user completes the bridge selection criteria, the selected bridges are displayed in a tabulated format. Users can modify the table layout, save the layout to share with others, or load a previously saved layout. Users can also export the selected bridges data table in their desired layout. Highlighting a row in the selected bridges table displays all associated data for that bridge under the Bridge Information section. The information is grouped in data tabs based on the available data sources. There are also trend line graphs and bar charts to show the change in several key attributes over time. Along with the historic condition data, InfoBridge also provides the forecasted condition for each component of individual bridges based on ongoing FHWA research. User can choose from multiple available forecast models. Bridges can also be visualized as plotted markers on a map interface. Users can modify the size and color of the markers based on certain NBI data attributes. By clicking on a marker on the map, users can visit the web page containing information for that individual bridge. The data for selected bridges can be visualized using the Analytics feature of InfoBridge. The Charts feature allows the user to plot stacked bar charts for various available NBI and NBE attributes. The Bridge Condition by State feature shows the latest bridge performance measures for each state. The Performance History feature shows a snapshot of the most recent performance statistics for the selected bridges. This feature also displays historical bridge performance graphs. For each year, the graphs show the number of the selected bridges in good, fair, and poor condition. In addition to the historical performance trends, users can also visualize the forecasted performance for a network of selected bridges based on ongoing FHWA research. Users can choose from several available forecast models and preservation levels to view this data that is still in a research phase. The Library module of InfoBridge provides access to a range of supporting documentation and resources for the users. The Historical Spec Changes documents the timeline of changes in bridge materials and design specifications. For further queries and feedback, users are welcome to reach out to the FHWA LTBP InfoBridge team using the Contact Us page. In addition, users can report any issues on the web portal by clicking on the customer support link from any page on the portal.